Despite the reputation for heavy rainfall, Mawsynram and Sohra recorded below normal precipitation this monsoon, according to the Indian Meteorological Department. Mawsynram received 9138.0 mm and Sohra 7303.7 mm from June to September, with Meghalaya overall experiencing an 8% deficit in rainfall. However, temperature records indicate a significant rise over the past century, with recent highs observed in various regions of the state.
This year has below normal rainfall, and out of the two, Mawsynram has higher rainfall than Sohra. There's significant rise in temperature in the last 100 years since observation started for Meghalaya. So we have around, for maximum temperatures, around 0.88 degrees Celsius rise in the last 100 years, and minimum temperature around 0.46 degrees Celsius rise in the last 100 years. And the 5 warmest years are all after 2000.